So between 25 and 50, the least common multiple, the common denominator will be 50. So you need to convert them all into 50. So here I'm going to multiply by 2. To convert the 5 into 50, you need to multiply by 10. So 2 times 24 is 48 minus 10 times 2 is 20 and 13 stays the same. So 48 minus 20 will be 28. 28 minus 13 will be 15. So you have 15 over 50. So I can simplify. Divided by 5, divided by 5, it will be 3 over 10. Now, calculating with mixed numbers is not very different than fractions. The only difference is you have an extra whole number to count for. So, 1 plus 5 will be 6. And then you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So, find your common denominator times 3 times 2. So you have 6 as a whole number, 6 as a denominator, and then you have 3 plus 2, which is 5. One more. So you have 10 minus 4 is 6. And then the common number between 8 and 10 could be 80, but it also could be 40, which is the least common multiple. So you need to multiply here by 5 and here by 4. So you have 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 will be 1. So your whole number, mixed number, will be 1 over 40. And do not forget the whole number to the side. In multiplication, we only use fractions. So you need to turn them into improper fractions. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So you have 5 over 2 times 3 over 1, which is 15 over 2. And then 15 divided by 2 and turn it into a mixed number becomes 7.5. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 1. So you have 41 over 10 times 6 over 1. Why don't we simplify? So divided by 2, this will be 3. Divided by 2, this will be 5. So you have 41 times 3, which will be 123 over 5. And then remember, please, to always keep it as a mixed number, which is 24, 3 over 5. Next, in division also, we only use fractions. So 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1. So you have 25 over 4 divided by 2. Now, what do you want to do, huh? Keep, change, flip, or butterfly wings? We can do butterfly wings. So we have 25 times 1 over 4 times 2, which 8. And then remember, you always need to keep it as, yes, a mixed number. So 3, 1 over 8. One more time. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47 over 5. Divided 3 over 1. Let's do. So we have 1 times 47. 3 times 5, which is 15. Please, please, please do not forget to turn it into a mixed number. So it's 3, 2 over 15. Now, to solve problems, which is our last topic, you have to be able to read it correctly. So, 13.892. Now let's read. So Lynn says that 13.892 rounded to 2 decimal places is 13.9. Let's see this. So, is she right or is she wrong? Two decimal places means you underline the 9. So you look at the 2, you see that the 2 does not give you anything, so it's 13.89 and not 13.9. So 13.9 means that she rounded to one decimal, not two decimals. And the correct answer will be 13.89. Next question. Syra buys 3 pairs of jeans for 125. How much does each cost? So, and round to the nearest cent. So I'll do 125 divided by 3. So 125 divided by 3 is going to be 41.6 repeated. So rounded to the nearest cent will be 41.7 because you consider this 66 and 66 is closer to 70. So you can say $41.7 for a pair of jeans. A swimming pool has a dimension of 10.5 times 4.1 times 1.2. Find out the volume. So the volume is the 10.5 times 4.9 times 1.2, which will be 61.74 meters cubed because this is a volume. And now the last thing we have today, a pile of paper is 2.5 centimeters tall. So this is a pile of paper. Each piece in there of paper is 0.1 millimeter thick. How many pieces? Now, this is really, really good because you need to notice that you have two different units. So I can convert the centimeters into meters by multiplying by 10 because 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So I'll have 25 millimeters, that's my total, divided the each piece thickness, the 0.1. So 25 divided by 0.1, and this means you have 250 pieces of paper. And I hope I have covered everything for you today. And this was the summary for chapter 6. Good luck, sharks. Remember, Miss Caroline and sharks have your back.